Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the US state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services in regards to their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different compatible wireless carrier or network. Now, here with us today, we have a TCL 20XE smartphone that is originally from Boost Mobile here in the US, and this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because when we have a different carrier SIM card inserted here, we have this pop-up message that is asking for a network unlock code. And so that's basically our indication that the device is still network locked to Boost and cannot be used with other carriers at this time. And then if we click the power button to shut the screen down and put it on the lock screen, we also have this scrolling message up in the top that says network locked. So those are our two indications that the device at this time will only accept SIM cards that are from Boost. So over the years, we've been contacted by tons of different customers asking for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change carriers away from Boost before satisfying all of Boost requirements in order for them to do the unlock for them, or because they purchased the device used from a dishonest seller who didn't tell them that the device was locked. So in those cases, the seller usually either claims that it's already unlocked or that it's already eligible to be unlocked through Boost or whatever the case may be. And then after the purchase, the buyer discovers that that's actually not true, that the device is still network locked and that it's not eligible to be unlocked through the carrier, and the seller has usually long since disappeared in that case, since it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days in the buying and selling of used mobile devices. So we're making this video here today finally to show any interested customers that we do offer a service to be able to get this device network locked without having to go directly through Boost and meet all of the requirements that they have. The procedure that we do is performed to the device directly while it's plugged in to a computer with a USB cable. And the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet to perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now with this one. So actually, as I've been speaking, I've been running our unlock program on the device that goes ahead and takes care of that. It needs just a minute or two to finish up here and reboot the phone. So I'm just going to fast forward here a little bit so that we can keep this as short as possible. Okay, so the device has now been rebooted and we should be all set to go. We will notice right away here on the notification screen, instead of that network lock message up in the top, it's now showing us the network name of T-Mobile, and that is the SIM card that we have inserted here, the other carrier's SIM card. And then we can also see here that we do have our signal bars and our 4G LTE data connection enabled there. So the device has now been fully network unlocked and is compatible with any other, is usable with any other compatible wireless carriers. While we're here, I'm going to pop in the settings really quick just to show you exactly what we are working with. So when we go into the settings and then down to System, we can see there under About Phone, it says that we have a 5087Z. So that is the model number of the Boost Mobile variant of the TCL 20XE, which we can see here once we go under the About Phone section. So if you have one of these TCL 20XEs originally from Boost and need help getting it SIM unlocked, we would love to assist you with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and we'll also put a slide at the end of the video that has all of our details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for thousands of models of mobile devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will enable you to be notified of all of the new videos and services that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing here with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes también nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.